I will invite Air Marshal Dr. Pavan Kapoor. Sir.
Yeah, good evening. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I must place on record my compliments to the current leadership as well as to the past leadership of KAHO for having brought about such a degree of dynamism in its functioning that today we see KAHO where it actually seated in just a glimpse of what we are seeing. We know we have lot of things to achieve. But having said that, one objective with Dr. Alex probably did not add to the objectives of KAHO. One of the big objectives of KAHO was training. Training of all the healthcare personnel towards quality as well as patient safety. And when I look at the training programs, I'm actually amazed by the quality of the training program that have been organized by KAHO over the past so many years. It just seems to be getting better and better. And I'm sure there is, somebody says sky is the limit. Being from the Air Force, sky is definitely not the limit. It is beyond sky that is the limit. And I think KAHO is aiming beyond skies as far as training goes. And the beauty of this training is that the training is all inclusive. It is contemporary. It is based upon latest topics. And the trainers are one who are very well grounded with the subject. So they can easily identify with the trainees. And it's sort of a mutual learning progress that we make and attend the various training programs. So I think, yes, KAHO has, maybe KAHO is in the skies. We would like to see KAHO beyond the skies in the future time to come. Of course, space is everybody's, dream to be in a space. And I think soon KAHO is going to reach in that space where everyone will identify themselves that we should be where KAHO is today. So all my best wishes, all the best of luck, and my compliments to the team of KAHO Tech for taking this initiative and moving forward, and best of luck and well done KAHO, and move ahead KAHO. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Pavan sir, and you are our star trainer. And certainly sky is not the limit, and with all your support, I'm sure we'll be able to reach there.